Welcome to episode 18 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. Today's special guest is Brett Simba, who's currently the owner of one of the most popular prop firms on the market, TRADEIFY. Before I even get into TRADEIFY, Brett Simba used to be one of the biggest schemers on Twitter. Other than him running a big signals group with a convicted felon, Kevin Trades, who's currently out of business and who was a convicted felon, Brett Simba created an auto trader where he had an account where you can link yours to, and it costed $10,000. For $10,000, I feel like I deserve a decent service, and maybe that's not losing money on top of the $10,000 I gave you. But as you can see from the results on Twitter and all the reviews, he lost almost everyone's account, literally blew most of these people's accounts. All these sources are on Twitter. You can go to anybody who's ever dealt with Brett Simba and they'll tell you exactly the same. Now, that was his side hustle before TRADEIFY. Obviously, TRADEIFY prop firms are based on people losing money because that's how they actually make money. Let's get into TRADEIFY and talk about the reviewers' names on the website. As you can see right here on the screen, they all have the @ name, the same @ name. Now, you would look at that and be like, that kind of looks weird and fake. But then I looked at the agreement and it says it does not necessarily represent the experience of other clients and it shouldn't be treated as predictive, meaning that the testimonials can be fake because in the agreement they can be. So the schemer, Brett Simba, and now owns TRADEIFY. That's not really a good mix, especially partnering up with people like Jadon, who created their own prop firm and it went down into the dust because they decided to put a fake trader as the head of their prop firm. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you guys on the next one.
So guys, I'm going home now with FBK's new car. We just bought a new car. It was cheap, man, 1 million. We bought this wild track. Show them this wild track right here. We bought it. You see this one? You see it? Bring the camera to me. We bought this wild track, 1 million, using KGP markets. Sign up on the KGP markets is the AI of brokers. 5-minute withdrawals are in tape. So this guy is going home right now. And I know you think I'm lying, ne? Okay, sharp, stop the video. They think I'm lying.